Okay, we're not too far from the field, but we've got to drive through a couple of ghetto areas. Fabiano, what's this place called we're driving through at the moment?
Complexo da Penha.
Fabiano is a 35-year veteran of the Federal Police Force in Brazil, and this street we're driving down now, he said it's called the Cop Killer Street. How do you say that in Brazil?
Mata Polícia.
Mata Polícia. Fabiano says when you hear what sounds like fireworks, it's either drugs arriving
or the police is getting into the ghetto.
A pretty heavy area. Got to go through here to get to the field, get to the Ghost Factory. Here we are, guys. We have arrived at the Ghost Factory. Dogs. Hello. So here we are at the Ghost Factory. What is your name?
Charles.
Charles you own the Ghost Factory, you run it.
Yep. So
now we're going to head off to Pitbull.
I have to take care of this guy because he is my bank manager.
The scale of this place is it's hard to describe. It's at my normal field I play at Phoenix Airsoft in the UK. It's about 200 acres of forest, and you guys have seen how big that is in my videos. To put this into context, this abandoned urban area is bigger than 200 acres. It's probably closer to 300 acres of all abandoned buildings like this, just dense, overgrown. All this is in play, all these multi-levels, multi-stories. It's hard to explain the scale of it. Hopefully when I play tomorrow and next weekend, I'm hoping that I'm able to capture as much of this area as I can. I'm hopefully going to be able to move around and just show you guys the scale of it. People live up here. Yeah. So that's their residential. So the game boundary is that wall there. But they're apartments where people live. We've got an objective building up here, have we?
No.
Up there, yeah. So should we go and have a look at the objective building?
In the return.
Okay. Oh, we got further to go. Again, this is like, I thought we were coming to the end of it, but it just goes on and on and on, and it's the scale of it is not something else. Yeah, health and safety would not allow this to happen anywhere in Europe, UK, or I doubt even America either.
I hired an ambulance with special medicine equipped to stay.
Tomorrow. Yeah, so we do have special medical services here for the game tomorrow, and that's certainly something. I've only ever seen that in South Africa, where they had a specialist medical team. Wow! Holy, look at this place.
This is the closer objective to the PMC, but it's the last one to explode the bomb. So we have the chance to regain.
So what we're entering here, this building complex, this place is like a series of complexes, factories, old office buildings. This building here is going to be the third of the 3 objectives that are going to be fought over tomorrow. There's all kinds of stray dogs.
Here is the
heavy BBs.
Don't access. Restrict.
Accesso, restrict. So we've just entered an area that's at the sort of edge. It feels like the northern side. I'm not sure if it is the north side, but we've sort of headed up, and this is kind of towards the edge.
Stay here, killing people there, right there.
So this is a well-used walkway.
Yeah, but I used to kill people in here, in that hole.
Yeah.
With the red.
Okay, so I've done a bit of an exploring. I feel like I've only touched part of the Ghost Factory. It's just huge. Tomorrow is going to be amazing. I'm really looking forward to it. If I haven't shown you everything I've seen on the video, because so often I was walking around and I was just like stunned and I couldn't record it all because I was too busy looking around. So hopefully you guys have had an insight into where I'm playing tomorrow, and you've watched this. Hopefully the next video you're going to watch is going to be the gameplay, and fingers crossed I can capture as much of this amazing field as I can tomorrow and get some great action and great gameplay for you guys. So next stop is going to be the game. So thanks very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you see you next time.